All right, guys, so I put a little video together for you guys about this. I think it's an 82 or 81 Wayne gas pump. It was originally a diesel. It's about 2 hours away from here. I'm closest to Dayton, Ohio. It's the biggest city close to me. As you can see, that Dayton tire sign behind there. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, so I put a little video together, kind of everything that we did. So I'm gonna let that play, and I will see you guys at the end of the video. All right, guys, so that was the video of everything we did. If you guys want to see more, like and subscribe, put in the comments, whatever you guys want to see next. I'm hopefully going to do this Gas Boy, start on this one, and then it's a Gas Boy 280, and then start on my Gilbarco 39 and finish restoring that one. So there'll be more videos to come. So this was just the recent build. So thanks for tuning in. Yeah, so subscribe. Please subscribe. I mean, you know you want to, or not, even though I have no idea what I'm doing.